Mind illusions. The human mind is remarkable yet often unreliable. Through various experiments and studies, we reveal how perceptions, memories, and behaviors are shaped by external influences, social rules, and psychological biases. Recognizing these factors helps us understand the mind's inherent vulnerabilities and the importance of thinking beyond the mind by rooting it. The Stanford Prison Experiment, conducted by Philip Zimbardo. College students were assigned roles of guards and prisoners in a simulated prison. Findings: the experiment demonstrated how situational factors and social rules influence behavior, leading to dehumanization and aggression. Findings: it highlighted the powerful impact environment and authority have on human actions. A Good Samaritan experiment by Darley and Batson, seminary students were tasked with delivering a talk. Some were told they were late, creating a sense of urgency, while others had plenty of time. Findings: students in a rush were less likely to help a person in distress, illustrating how situational stress and time constraints diminish pro social behavior and compassion. The marshmallow test, conducted by Walter Mischel. This experiment tested children's ability to delay gratification by offering them a choice between one marshmallow now or two if they waited. Findings: the ability to delay gratification was linked to better life outcomes, suggesting the importance of self control and its long term impact on life success. The Little Albert experiment, conducted by John Watson and Rosalie Rayner. This experiment involved conditioning a young child, Albert, to fear a white rat by prodding the rat with a loud, frightening noise. Findings: little Albert developed a fear of the rat and similar objects, demonstrating classical conditioning and the development of phobia. The visual cliff experiment, conducted by Gibson and Walk. This experiment involved placing infants on a platform with a cliff, a drop-off covered by glass, to test depth perception. The visual cliff experiment findings: most infants hesitated to cross the cliff, indicating that depth perception is either innate or develops very early in infancy. Human behavior is heavily influenced by social, environmental, and psychological factors. Our perceptions and memories are often unreliable and susceptible to manipulation. External authority and group pressure can override individual ethical judgment. Self awareness and critical thinking are essential in mitigating these influences. And as you see, these can only be achieved by rooting mind.